Once again, welcome back to my channel. If you're my name is Angelina, and guys, today I will be I'm showing you how to make salami. Because it was the same thing, I'm just gonna make white bread. And you can do whatever. So first up, we need a type of glue. This one has 3 here. Any charm, a small charm, a true charm, like this thing. Hiding different spots. Okay, a turn screw, and I got seashells. Coffee. This stuff that I don't know. Some of this stuff. Because and some glue. So yeah. And you need a utensil, and you just might give me my hands. And it should just go. No, I know what I'm saying. Okay. So I have the bottle of it.
Casey would have no financial worries with an estate value between
So how much glue
$1
I
million.
use?
But around that time, Genie claims his children became focused on one thing.
It was all about the money. We became the Bank of Kasem, the personal ATM machine.
Around 2012,
So I'm
according
going
to
to do a
Genie,
little bit because I don't
Casey was
understand.
fed up and cut
Glue.
them off financially. Genie says the kids were furious.
So this is say Karina's
Genie claims
slime
Harry
cup.
and the others
Wait, I have that
did
much.
something almost unimaginable.
No.
I believe that Carrie Kasem
Yeah, I
did
knew I
kill
should have just
my husband.
pushed this.
That it was a long-term, premeditated plan. And he's gone.
Okay, it's okay.
It's just
So I can add some of my, well, anything I want. So, oh no. First I want food dye. The food dye could stay in your hands. You know,
With this
that.
one little NexGard chew comes power and confidence.
So I don't put ones out because I don't like when
Right
it's
to
stuck.
protect your job.
And then I'm just gonna mix it because I don't like it.
NexGard chew.
NexGard.
One vet recommended protection.
I'm gonna slide.
Some NexGard chew.
I think I put too much for it to be light.
Cause Lyme disease. Plus,
Yeah, I put way
it's
too much
safe
for it
for
to be light.
puppies. There's a lot of
So
power
just like
in
a
this one
bubble
little
gum color.
NexGard chew. NexGard. What one
Glue
little chew can do.
glue.
The movie Late Night is about the two of us and a lot of men. A diverse group of white men. Emma plays
I'm
Tasha,
putting the light
a
of
very
this because it's really
That would mean so
dark
much
in
more
here.
coming from someone with a jolt.
It shows what these two characters have in common, which seems so churchy.
And difference.
It's like 14 when they're all gonna go, you're crazy.
Okay guys,
Look it up right now. What's open in your room? Look it up. See what. Let's go.
John Fingers.
No, you don't want to go there.
I know I don't.
yeah.
No, Karina's is open. Applebee's is open.
You wanna go to a restaurant?
No, we don't have to. I'm just saying there's a lot of things open. Use your imagination.
Fixing the curtain. And I think at the end I'm just gonna put some charms. What should I put? Should I put you on camera?
Definitely not there. I agree. You appreciate the offer though. Daddy's
No.
not a movie star like you.
I'm not a movie star yet.
Not yet.
But I don't even have a movie though.
We should make a movie tomorrow.
Yeah,
We'll call-
definitely.
We'll call it Memorial Day weekend. Starring Angelina.
What? Okay. Okay, there's so much beads in here, and now I'm just barely getting it. I want all of it.
Almost. Yeah, I think you drop them over here and just keep going.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're dropping everywhere. Thank you. No. Okay, it's okay. No. I'm so hot. I'm sick.
I lost this much weight. I'm Jenny Craig. Lose up to 16 pounds in 4
We tried that.
results by Jenny Craig.
What else?
And leave the meal prep to us for a
I
limited
think I'm gonna put more of this Twitter.
$20 and get 5 days of free delivery purchase.
Sit down again.
Beautiful words.
Oh, just messing with you.
Oh,
If you want to
good
a
one.
new car,
Maybe 10 o'clock.
Sesame can help.
Everything close already?
Your store and see how to improve it.
Is everything like closed?
So this is how my slime is actually looking. Where's my slime? There we go. There's a lot of glitter in it, which I'm liking, but I barely even see it. No, I'm not gonna see it more. I want to end these, but I don't. They're so annoying when I post them. But I actually think I'm good. So I'm just gonna...
To order your chef-cooked meals, go to freshly.com today.
So much. No, it's okay, it's okay.
I want the truth so we can have closure.
I will get you the answers.
My name is Derek Lavasser. I'm a retired police sergeant.
And a private investigator. How did Robin end up in the water? Did she jump in? Who was she supposed to do? Wow, I didn't check it out. Text me the location now, I'm on my way. Tell me everything you know.
There's so much evidence that I wasn't even around. We're so thankful.
Homicide. All new season Monday, June 3rd at 10. Only on ID and ID Go.
The children of legendary DJ Casey
Doesn't
Kasem are
look
demanding to know
exciting.
where is Kasem.
I was really going in the movie.
Those adult children had put targets on our backs.
Do you believe that your husband, Casey Kasem, feared his children?
Yes,
And feared that they could do what?
what they did.
Which was?
Kill him.
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. There is no more evil in this world than Gene Thompson Kasem.
Let me show you something. Gene says the alleged plot started in this very room behind me on a lonely stretch of Hollywood Boulevard back in 2007. She says that Casey's children lured their disoriented father from his Bel Air mansion to this very
This is
store,
hard
which is
to grab
signed
out
a
now.
very important document.
He was taken to a UPS store and he was asked to sign his life away while he was on medications. He had sutures in his head. He did not have his glasses on and he was out of it.
Does that mean the UPS store?
This video, shot by Carrie, shows Casey filling out a document
Yellow.
that would give his children, and not Jeannie, the authority to be in charge of his future health care. It's video that Jeannie claims shows that Casey is obviously impaired. That's Casey's daughter, Julie.
Judy 419 Suite C. You know, you put the address.
And this is the document Casey signed, laying the groundwork, Jeannie claims, that would lead to medical decisions that would kill Casey. Starting in 2013, Casey's health declined. There were legal squabbles. Jeannie was trying to control when and where people could see Casey, including his own children.
I was in tears. I was speechless. I called my sister bawling and I said, I just want to see Dad, and she won't let me.
Jeannie also says she and her daughter Liberty became targets of a harassment campaign.
Were you living in fear?
Pretty much.
Were you
So
ever
I'm gonna have
personally
lotion
threatened by
to
someone?
make
It
it
was a phone call that came in, I believe it was
here.
early in the
But other
morning.
than that, that's all
And
I'm
there was a
gonna
loud
use
bang
for my
on the phone.
ingredients because
And I
Yeah.
held my ear. I
so
said,
hoping
"Oh my God,
video,
it
if you
sounds-"
just smash that like button, I'll see you guys next time.
And then
Yeah,
I heard it
and guys,
again,
make sure
and I
to subscribe.
recognized it as a gunshot.
Bye.